Ladies and gentlemen, this is another amazing wrap. They call it the CarlasWrap. This is CarlasWrap, and the car name is Z7. Can you see this amazing wrap? This is amazing. This is amazing. Please continue to subscribe to this channel. We are specialized in all kinds of wrapping, PPF installation, all kinds of wrap, ceramic coating, in both interior and exterior detailing, painting, and many more. This is CarlasWrap. Just look at it now. CarlasWrap, so amazing. If you are just coming across this video, or if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to this channel and press the notification button, so whenever we upload a new video, you'll be notified, because we will make sure and upload new video almost every week. Every week we will be uploading a new video, because this is our job, because every day we are wrapping and installing PPF. So every week we will make sure and upload a new video. So just subscribe to the channel and press the notification button, so when we upload a new video, you will be notified. You can learn from us. If you want to become a professional wrapper, PPF installation or PPF installer, just subscribe to the channel, because every week we will be uploading a new video like this, so you can learn from us to become a professional wrapper like us. Ladies and gentlemen, please, I'm urging every one of you people, if you are just new to my channel, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button, so whenever we upload a new video like this, you will be notified, because this is our specialization. As you can see, my whole team, we are a team. We are a team, and we are also open to anybody who is willing to work with us or to work with them. We are open worldwide. We are open worldwide to anybody who willing for us to work together. We are open. Don't hesitate. Send us message or comment on our video, so we can start the conversation from there. We are open to work with anybody around the world. This is our specialization. We are specialized in so many things. We are specialized in so many careers. So subscribe to our channel now and press the notification button, so whenever we upload a new video like this, you will be notified. Can you see this amazing wrap? So amazing. You can't believe it. When you see the whole car completed, you won't believe it. You won't believe it. This is amazing wrap. We call it CarlasWrap. Ladies and gentlemen, this is CarlasWrap original Z7. This is the car name, Z7. Can you see? Wow, so amazing. The wrap is completed. Now the customer is carrying his car. Can you see? So amazing. Subscribe now for more.